Mr. Eze is in SA and his fave things so far may shock you. Nigerian superstar Mr. Eze took a show T left on his Lagos to London tour and ended up in Mzansi, where his favorite thing so far has been the meat. You see, Eze loves Mzansi steak. My most favorite thing about SA? I think it's the food, particularly the steak. I love the steak. The one thing I've observed in SA that reminds me of home is the fact that South Africans love to dance. That's what we love too, we love to dance, he told Chwisa Live in a recent interview. Eze also thinks Mzansi has beautiful women, and if he could write a song about the country it would be Declaration of Love to Our Women. If I could write a song about South Africa, I would have South Africa be the love interest, the woman that I would sing about. Just describing her beauty and it would be called My Woman, he said. Mr. Eze came to share the 411 about his latest release, Life is Eze Volume 2, Lagos to London. The new mixtape is an Afrofusion and intercultural collaboration where Mr. Eze brings in heavy guns from South Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Zimbabwe, and Jamaica. The journey of my movement, of my music in the past year, has taken shape in that way. I felt like it was important to take my fans through that journey and show them what the music represents. Eze said in the future he would like to collaborate with Sun El musician, Casper Nyovest, aka, and Questa. And just because he's got major love for SA, he let Chwisa Live quiz him on things you may not know about him. The first thing I do after I wake up in the morning is, pick up my phone. The most embarrassing thing to ever happen to me was when my pants tore on stage during a performance. It was a big tear. But apparently people didn't notice. Whenever I find myself in an awkward conversation or awkward silence I tweet. My English teacher probably remembers me for not doing assignments. I was always really good at socializing. When I'm having a bad day, I listen to music. The biggest misconception about being a musician is that people think I am always drunk. When I stand in front of my mirror I see myself. LOL. The one person I hope is watching me as I succeed is my dad. This is only the beginning for me because there's so much more to do. Now you know a couple of things about the Nigerian-born musician to take to the Eze fan club.